Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you guys how to use rolls of thread to create a fringe look on a shirt. I am Carlo Gechkome, a YouTuber and fashion designer based in Enugu State, Nigeria. I'll be working with black, red and white thread. Here is my cutter, pencil and ruler. Here are all the items I'll be working with put together. I'll start by cutting the roll of black thread into two with my cutter, after which I will move over to the red thread and also do the same to the white thread. Then I'll first of all divide the cut thread into small bunches. Then sew each one onto the marked areas of the shirt one by one till I cover the desired area. I know you must be wondering why I'm doing this. As a kid, I always watched American cowboy movies. This made me like their fringy shirts, and here I am making my own version of it with threads. And I also know watching me pick and sew the bunches one after the other will be a little bit boring to you, but as a creative or enthusiast, patience is key, and the path to creations is not always interesting. I'll be jumping the row I just pointed now. Don't worry, you will soon find out why as I proceed on to sewing the red bunches onto the shirt. I know you're seeing my hand movement as I'm sewing. My stitches are going vertically, not horizontally. This is to give the bunches a fringy look. Do not be overwhelmed. I know picking and sewing one by one is tiring, but the passion for what you do will always see you through. As for me, I am excited with imaginations of how this shirt will look afterwards. As I have completed filling this area with red, it's now time to fill the gap with black bunches. However, it is important to note that I am sewing these bunches onto the shirt in an overlaying pattern. As I continue sewing, allow me to appreciate all my subscribers, and to my new viewers, please endeavor to subscribe to this channel, like, share to your friends and enemies, share your thoughts in the comment section, and always leave your notification bells on so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post any video. Meanwhile, I have other interesting videos that I know you would find insightful and educative. I hope you make out time to see them. You never can tell what great help you'll be doing yourself. Oh my god! EEDC, when will I go free us from this embarrassment? They just took the light. As I proceeded with my sewing, I noticed the white bunches and the shirt's color were looking almost alike. So I had no other option than to cut out the whites on the first row of both sides on the shirt. And I'll be replacing them with the black ones. This is to provide a contrasting effect between the two colors, white and sky blue. As I sewed in the black bunches, on a second thought, I decided to re-add some white bunches in between the already sewn in blacks, just to spice it all up. All the while I've been sewing, who noticed my pattern of stitch knotting? By me looking at my knottings, it's pointy and rough. You would have felt it with your palm if you were here. And obviously you will know it will cause an itchy irritation on whoever that may wear it. So in order to prevent that from happening, I had to introduce a light fabric gum stand that I'll be using a hot iron to stick it onto the shirt. This is to make blunt the pointiness of the knots and also give a neat finishing afterwards. Ta-da! What do you think? Impressive, yeah? Don't forget to share your thoughts about this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.